Ahoy, Bashimich!
Flop.
Okay.
Gooey.
Got that thing.
Hello.
Oh, yeah, we'll go with that. We got blue. Yeah, take one.
Just open and then the cadets.
Oh, this is big. You can go in the arse, this is fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There's a proper one. Something that not only works cheap for them, but something that would catch them a meal as well. What I'm going to do is, because we've obviously lost some of our time in our PA. I'm going to 9 o'clock.
Evening Porter is, or probably was, owned by D&B Morgan, Weaver, which is Cheshire. Yep. The amusement people, I could do with being amused. You'll see them well represented here today in their commercial vehicles, internal combustion engines. Another, what we call showman's engine. Probably I know very, very well, 30 or 40 years ago. It was owned by somebody in Ludlow, BRF 200, which is a tarmac Sentinel 6-wheeler. I knew very, very well indeed. In fact, I know very well of them. That was his first monthly steam at all I see who have are named, they're all named after something like Harold Llewellyn, where people say, not the example there of a moment. Isn't it? Oh yeah. One of the very, very many mill stores. And usually the fairground lady, Little Door. Yeah? Little Door. John Power, I believe. 17506. There you go. Open up. And usually the showman's have them in pairs. Well, yeah. Another John Fowler, Reed McGregor. Little son, Texan. Yes, registration. There we go.
Shire Horses is a barra, and it's a bay mare, 17.3, and her age is 14 years old. So she's a homebred one, and she does a lot of the shows. She's mainly showing in hand. And then behind John we have Steve, all the way from Anglesey, with Silver Cloud, and she's a homebred 11-year-old. And she's freefold, and she works in chains pulling timber through the Newbury Forest community woodland. So Susie's just doing a little show, just to take the steam out of her horse while you're all watching. These horses are so spoiled, they get washed out ready for shows. They have the best of everything, and they're up early in the morning. We've all been up since 5 o'clock, but the other competitors here came last night, and they've all been up early this morning washing.
Did they look at the horse jumping?
Skeleton, jump, skeleton. When I rode it,
And if you're around by the stables, do call and ask the people that are there, because they use stroke them and ask any questions that you want.
this your first time? Okay, you're alright.
Still fairly beginner, so.
No, I'm trying to say like not completely.
Yeah, he has his own. Quite a bit late for that one, but it's still race, so it's got quite a bit of age about it. 2030 John. The 432 still quite well with that 1,000 range, and unfortunately we went further on, they went down a little bit, they had problems with engines and forward blocks and goodness knows what, but the booster rams, everything there. Oliver Super 90, and then the benefit tractor, speaking with engines, I drove one before I forget and I'd never no complaints about it. Especially with the same engine as a Master 35, that's the same as the 30 engine, which is second floor, capacity bombs with that engine. Something I've not seen before, the JCB 3C Mark III. These were the things that made JCB. Oh, you get a stand so you can come back. Diesel.